Welcome to our comparison video. Today we're diving into two popular compact dryers, the BLACK+DECKER BCED37 and the Euhomy Compact Laundry Dryer. We'll explore their features, performance, and what real users have to say about them. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer idea of which dryer might be the best choice for your home. When it comes to load capacity, the BLACK+DECKER BCED37 offers a spacious 3.5 cubic feet, making it suitable for larger loads. In contrast, the Euhomy Compact Laundry Dryer has a smaller capacity of 2.65 cubic feet, which may be limiting for larger households. If you frequently dry larger loads, the BLACK+DECKER might be the better option. Both dryers come equipped with 4 drying modes, but the Euhomy takes it a step further with its intelligent auto-dry feature. This allows the Euhomy to adjust drying time based on moisture levels, ensuring optimal drying without over-drying your clothes. The BLACK+DECKER, while effective, lacks this advanced feature. Noise levels are another important factor to consider. The BLACK+DECKER BCED37 has received some complaints about noise during operation, while the Euhomy is often praised for its quiet performance. If a peaceful laundry experience is a priority for you, the Euhomy may be the more suitable choice. In conclusion, both the BLACK+DECKER BCED37 and the Euhomy Compact Laundry Dryer have their strengths and weaknesses. The BLACK+DECKER excels in capacity, while the Euhomy offers advanced features and quieter operation. Consider your specific needs and preferences when making your choice. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.